Do you want to build a beautiful and mobile responsive website from scratch? Do you want to build great looking modern website that users will love? Well, then this course is perfect for you. This course will take you step by step from scratch with no coding experience to build a beautiful professional looking website. In this course, I am going to show you how you can build yourself a beautiful responsive website project like this step by step from the very scratch. While building this amazing beautiful website, you will learn new ways of coding, tips and tricks, and modern best practices that will make you a professional web developer in a very short time. In this course, you will learn HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, and some jQuery. By using all of these technologies, we will build that amazing website together. So first, I will begin by creating wireframe for website. I will teach you how to first create a wireframe for a website before actually starting a web development. Then I'll start coding the real world project from the very scratch. In this course, you will learn how to write HTML5 markup the best way. Integration of Bootstrap framework will really speed up the development time, and it will allow to add some really great features to a website. I will teach you new CSS techniques to style a website, and you will also be introduced to some new concepts such as CSS media queries and breakpoints. And with some jQuery, I will teach you how to add cool features to a website. I will show you how to add this large covered photo with text and button over it, how to add this cool modern animation, and how to add diagonal shape background image with cool parallax effect. I will show you how to add this great gallery that can showcase your work. You will learn how to add carousel slider effect to your website, and I will be teaching you how you can build beautiful modern pricing tables for your website, how you can add cool counter up effect for your website, and I will be teaching you how you can build this cool clients list with carousel slider effect. And finally, I will teach you how to build this nice looking contact section for your website, and you will learn how to build this cool navigation bar with scroll spy effect and smooth scrolling. You will learn all of this and so much more. This will be fully responsive website, which means this website will look great on all smartphones, tablets, and computers. I will teach you how you can make a website perfect for responsive design so it will look great on all the screen sizes. You will be amazed to see how easy it is to build a responsive website like this. I will teach you how to use Bootstrap grid system to make a responsive design, and you will learn all this step by step from scratch. My name is Irfan Dayan. I will be leading you on this adventure. I am serving more than 15,000 unique and satisfied students on Udemy. I have created some of the best online courses on Udemy with 5 stars review. You will get 30-day money back guarantee if you try this course and feel that it is not for you. You can get your money back. So you have nothing to lose. So what are you waiting for? Act now by clicking on the Take This Course button on the right side of this page and join me on this exciting journey today.